guys, Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Ring by Selena Gomez. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. It's using 3 different chords that you're picking through. It just repeats throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I will also have the guitar tab down there for you as well, so if you need either of those, check the video description once you get done. It's there for you. So your first chord is going to be this version of an E minor. It's just 0, XX, nothing on the A and the D. And then you're going to go 4, 5, 3, middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string, ring finger on the 5th fret of the B string, index finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. Next you're going to just a traditional A minor chord. It's 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then you're going to go to a B7, which is 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2. That's middle finger 2nd fret on your A string, index finger 1st fret on the D string, ring finger 2nd fret on the G string, and then pinky finger 2nd fret on the high E. Now we'll jump into your picking pattern. So you're going to be picking, through all of these chords, you're going to be picking the G string with your index finger, your middle finger is going to pick the B string, and your ring finger is going to pick the high E. That's for all of these chords. Your thumb is just going to be alternating between picking the root note, and for each chord you pick the root note, those 3 strings, and then the root note again. So starting with your E minor, you pick low E, G, B, and E, low E again. Then go to your A. Now you're picking the A string with your thumb, but the same exact strings with your index, middle, and ring finger. It's the, again, G for your index, middle is on B, ring is on high E. Root note, all 3 strings, root note. That B7, you're picking the exact same strings here as the A minor, your A string with your thumb there. And that one goes twice. That's the only thing that's different, is your B7 picks through twice as opposed to each of the other ones pick through once. So, and then it starts all over and that repeats. So very slowly from the top.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.